Hey you guys, thanks for visiting my YouTube channel. I am Jane Doe DIY. Please subscribe below to get updates on new videos. Here's what I have for you today. This method of creating your own purse is what I call the wrap method. In a previous video, I showed you guys how to create a clutch purse using the pyramid method. A link has been provided below if you have not watched that video yet. For this method that we're going to do today, you're going to need fur fabric, fleece or felt fabric, fabric glue, a hot glue gun, a cardboard box, scissors, a pen, and measuring tape. Let's get started. First, lay out your fabric so that you can see where you would like to lay your cardboard pieces. The pieces I used have a base of 10 inches and sides of 7 inches. Once I placed the pieces on the fabric, I left 1 inch of fabric from the left of the first piece and 1 inch of fabric on the right side of the second piece. I left 1.5 inches of fabric at the top and bottom of both of those pieces, and in between those two pieces I spaced it 2 inches. Always mark where the pieces are supposed to be so that you will know when you glue them and flip them back over exactly where they were, so that the measurements will be okay. I do have to advise that this fur is really messy and it does shed, so keep a trash can or trash bag handy so that it doesn't get everywhere. Once you measure the amount of fabric that you're going to need and cut that portion out, I measured the fleece material the same as this one since it will be the inside lining of the purse. So just lay the fleece on top of what you just cut out and then cut around it. Of course, there may be some more shedding pieces, so discard of that as needed. Then for the base of the purse, I use scrap pieces of the cardboard. The base of that was 10 inches to match the base of the first two pieces I cut, and then the sides were 2.5 inches, so that it would lay at the bottom of the purse perfectly fine once I wrap everything around. So once you have the base portion cut out, wrap the fleece material around it, secure it with hot glue, and then you will need to hot glue the base that you just made to the right bottom side of the cardboard. Not the first cardboard, but the second one at the very bottom. Glue it right there, and then wrap the other side, the left side, over that and hot glue that down as well. To add a little extra style to it, you can try to tuck the fur in at the bottom or try to fold it under so that it looks more professional, but this is just a demonstration, so I left it as is. Once I did that, I got to the sides. I folded them together and then hot glued them as well. I do have to advise that hot glue does leave glue pieces. You can just pick those out as needed. Once I secured the sides, after I wrapped it around, I did go to the top, fold over the fur, and hot glue that down too, because I didn't want the top of the fur fabric showing, so I just put a little hot glue gun around the rim and folded it over. This is what the inside looks like. You do see a couple spots where the hot glue did run inside of the purse, but that's always fixable. I'm just showing you a rough draft of like what it's going to look like. I did add straps to my purse so that I didn't have to carry it. I didn't really want a clutch. I wanted more of like a bag, but a cute fur bag. I may add a Velcro closure piece in there, but I'm not sure as of now, but I like it as it is. With the scraps, I just hot glued them to the inside corners. And it's pretty simple. I got all of this at Joann's. If you plan on going to Joann's, I would suggest checking their website or getting a sales paper when you go into there, because they always have different discounts and different sales on different things. But if you like my video, please subscribe below. And I hope everybody has a wonderful day. If you do try this DIY, please comment and let me know so that I can see your photos or your videos if one was created. Just a reminder, please like, share, comment, subscribe below if you would like updates on new videos and new DIYs that I do or try. As noted, this is a random DIY channel, so I do a wide variety of different things such as reviews and different DIYs on my page. So if you would like to check out new material or check out some of my old one, view my channel or subscribe below. Have a wonderful day.